Welcome to Unit 2 Advanced Concepts of Modeling in Artificial Intelligence. In this lesson, we will revisit three important concepts that form the foundation of modern intelligence systems: artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning, commonly known as AI, ML, and DL. Artificial intelligence is the broader field that focuses on creating machines capable of performing tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as reasoning, decision making, problem solving, and understanding language. Within artificial intelligence, we have machine learning, a subset that enables computers to learn from data and improve their performance without being explicitly programmed for every task. Going one step further, deep learning is a specialized branch of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks with multiple layers to analyze large amounts of data and solve complex problems such as image recognition, speech processing, and natural language understanding. Throughout this unit, we will explore how these technologies are connected, their differences, their applications in everyday life, and how they contribute to building intelligent systems. So, let us begin our journey into the fascinating world of AI, machine learning, and deep learning. Topics to be covered. In this lesson, we will explore several important concepts related to artificial intelligence and its advanced modeling techniques. We will begin by understanding artificial intelligence, which focuses on developing machines that can perform tasks requiring human-like intelligence. Next, we will learn about machine learning, a branch of artificial intelligence that enables computers to learn from data and improve their performance through experience. We will then study deep learning, an advanced form of machine learning that uses layered neural networks to solve complex problems. After that, we will examine the working of machine learning and understand how machines learn patterns from data to make predictions and decisions. We will also discuss some common applications of machine learning, including object classification, where a system identifies the category of an object, and anomaly detection, where unusual or unexpected patterns are identified. Moving forward, we will explore the working of deep learning and see how deep neural networks process large amounts of information. Finally, we will look at real-world applications of deep learning, such as object identification, where systems recognize and locate objects in images, and digit recognition, where computers identify handwritten or printed numbers. By the end of this lesson, you will have a clear understanding of artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, their working processes, and their practical applications in today's technology-driven world. We will also explore the relationship between artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. You will learn how these technologies are connected and how each one builds upon the other. We will also compare artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning to understand their key differences, features, and areas of application. Next, we will study some common terms that are frequently used when working with data. We will begin with data, which is the collection of facts, observations, or information used by intelligent systems to learn and make decisions. Then, we will learn about features, which are the individual characteristics or attributes of the data that help a model identify patterns. After that, we will discuss labels, also known as the target variable. Labels represent the correct answers or outcomes that a model tries to predict. We will also explore the different types of data used in artificial intelligence. Labeled data contains both input information and the correct output, making it useful for supervised learning. Unlabeled data contains only input information without predefined answers and is often used in unsupervised learning. Finally, we will learn about datasets in artificial intelligence. A training dataset is used to teach a model and help it learn patterns from data. A testing dataset is used to evaluate the model's performance and determine how accurately it can make predictions on new, unseen data. By understanding these concepts, you will develop a strong foundation for working with data and building intelligent systems. Artificial Intelligence (AI). Have you ever wondered how a phone understands your voice, how YouTube suggests videos you might like, or how a car can help a driver avoid accidents? All these technologies use artificial intelligence, or AI. Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that focuses on creating machines and computer systems that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. AI enables machines to learn, think, reason, solve problems, and make decisions. Instead of simply following fixed instructions, AI systems can analyze information and respond intelligently. Today, AI is a part of our everyday lives. For example, virtual assistants such as Siri and Alexa can answer questions and perform tasks based on voice commands. Streaming platforms like Netflix use AI to recommend movies and shows based on your interests and viewing history. AI is also used in self-driving and autonomous vehicles, where it helps vehicles understand their surroundings and make safe driving decisions. In simple words, artificial intelligence is the technology that enables machines to mimic certain aspects of human intelligence and perform tasks more efficiently and intelligently. Machine Learning (ML). Now that we understand artificial intelligence, let's learn about machine learning, often called ML. Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence that enables computers to learn from data and improve their performance without being specifically programmed for every task. Think about how humans learn. The more examples we see and practice we get, the better we become at a task. Machine learning works in a similar way. Instead of learning from experience, computers learn from large amounts of data. A machine learning system studies the data, finds patterns and relationships, and then uses those patterns to make predictions or decisions when it encounters new data. For example, when you receive emails, machine learning helps identify whether an email is genuine or spam. It learns from thousands of examples and becomes better at recognizing unwanted messages. Another common example is fraud detection in online banking, where machine learning helps identify unusual transactions that may indicate fraudulent activity. Online shopping websites also use machine learning to recommend products based on your previous searches, purchases, and interests. In simple words, machine learning is a way of teaching computers to learn from data so that they can make smart decisions and predictions on their own. Deep Learning (DL). Let's now explore deep learning, or DL, which is one of the most advanced areas of artificial intelligence. Deep learning is a specialized branch of machine learning. It uses structures called neural networks, which are inspired by the way the human brain processes information. Just as our brain learns from experience, deep learning systems learn by analyzing large amounts of data. The more data they receive, the better they become at recognizing patterns and making accurate decisions. Deep learning is especially useful when dealing with complex tasks that are difficult for traditional computer programs to handle. For example, deep learning powers image recognition systems, allowing computers to identify objects, faces, and places in photographs. It is also used in speech recognition, helping virtual assistants understand and respond to spoken language. Another important application is language translation, where deep learning helps convert text from one language to another with high accuracy. Deep learning also plays a major role in autonomous vehicles, helping them detect roads, pedestrians, traffic signs, and other vehicles. It is important to understand the relationship between these technologies. Artificial intelligence is the broadest field. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that enables computers to learn from data. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses deep neural networks to solve more complex problems. Although machine learning and deep learning are closely related, they are not the same. Deep learning is designed for more advanced tasks and usually requires larger amounts of data and greater computing power. In simple terms, deep learning is an advanced form of machine learning that uses neural networks to learn complex patterns and perform intelligent tasks with remarkable accuracy. Working of machine learning. Now let us understand how machine learning works. Machine learning helps computers learn from data and make decisions based on what they have learned. The process starts with input data. Input data can be information such as numbers, text, images, videos, or sound recordings. This input data is given to a machine learning model. The model studies the data carefully and looks for patterns, similarities, and relationships within the information. As the model analyzes more and more data, it gradually learns how to recognize these patterns. This learning process helps the model improve its accuracy over time. After learning from the data, the machine learning model produces an output. The output can be a prediction, a recommendation, a classification, or a decision. For example, if the input is an email message, the model can determine whether the email is a spam message or a genuine message. If the input is a photograph, the model can identify the object present in the image, such as a cat, a dog, a bicycle, or a car. Therefore, the working of machine learning can be explained in three simple steps. First, data is provided as input. Second, the machine learning model analyzes the data and learns patterns from it. Third, the model generates an output based on the patterns it has learned. In simple words, machine learning enables computers to learn from data and use that knowledge to make intelligent decisions and predictions. Working of machine learning. Let us understand the working of machine learning with a simple example. Suppose we want a computer to identify whether a fruit is a banana or a guava. To train the machine learning model, we first provide it with many images of bananas and guavas. Each image is already labeled with its correct name. Some images are labeled as banana, while others are labeled as guava. The machine learning model studies these labeled images and learns the features of each fruit. It learns that bananas are usually long and curved, while guavas are generally round or oval in shape. As the model sees more examples, it becomes better at recognizing the differences between the two fruits. After the training process is complete, we provide the model with a new image that it has never seen before. The model carefully analyzes the image and compares its features with the patterns it learned during training. Based on its learning, the model predicts the correct category of the fruit. In this example, the new image is identified as a banana, so the output produced by the model is banana. This process is called classification, where a machine learning model learns from labeled examples and then classifies new data into the correct category. In simple words, the model learns from examples, identifies patterns, and uses those patterns to make accurate predictions about new data. Examples of machine learning. Now that we understand how machine learning works, let us look at some common examples of its applications. Two important applications of machine learning are object classification and anomaly detection. Let us begin with object classification. Object classification is the process of identifying and assigning an object to the correct category. A machine learning model learns from many examples and then determines what type of object it is observing. For example, a model can learn to recognize whether an image contains a cat, a dog, a car, a bicycle, or a fruit. This technology is widely used in image recognition systems, photo organization applications, and smart cameras. Another important application is anomaly detection. Anomaly detection refers to identifying data or events that are unusual and different from normal patterns. For example, a bank may use machine learning to detect suspicious credit card transactions. If a transaction appears very different from a customer's normal spending behavior, the system may flag it as unusual and alert the bank. Anomaly detection is also used in cybersecurity, healthcare, manufacturing, and fraud prevention to identify problems before they become serious. In simple words, object classification helps machines identify what something is, while anomaly detection helps machines identify when something is unusual or unexpected. These are just a few examples of how machine learning is used to solve real-world problems and make technology smarter and more efficient. Object classification. Let us now understand object classification, one of the most common applications of machine learning. Object classification is the process of identifying an object and placing it into the correct category. To do this, a machine learning model is first trained using many examples. During training, the model learns the characteristics and features of different types of objects. Once the training is complete, the model can examine a new object and determine which category it belongs to. In the example shown here, different clothing items are provided to the system. These items include shirts, trousers, belts, watches, shoes, and other accessories. The machine learning model analyzes the features of each item, such as its shape, size, and appearance. After analyzing the items, the model automatically groups them into appropriate categories. For example, shirts are placed in the t-shirts category, pens are placed in the trousers category, and items such as belts, watches, shoes, and sunglasses are placed in the accessories category. This ability to sort objects into different groups is known as object classification. Object classification is widely used in many real-world applications. Online shopping websites use it to organize products into categories. Photo applications use it to identify people, animals, and objects in images. It is also used in security systems, healthcare, and self-driving vehicles. In simple words, object classification helps computers recognize objects and place them into the correct category based on what they have learned from previous examples. Anomaly detection. Let us now learn about anomaly detection, another important application of machine learning. The word anomaly means something unusual or different from what is normally expected. Anomaly detection is a machine learning technique that helps identify data, events, or activities that do not follow normal patterns. To perform anomaly detection, a machine learning model is first trained using historical data. This data represents normal behavior and helps the model understand what is considered usual or expected. Once the model has learned the normal patterns, it begins monitoring new or live data. As new data arrives, the model compares it with the patterns it has already learned. If the data matches the normal pattern, it is considered normal. However, if the data is very different from the expected behavior, the model identifies it as an anomaly and generates an alert. For example, consider a banking system. A customer usually makes small purchases within their city. Suddenly, a very large transaction is made from another country. Since this behavior is unusual, the machine learning model may flag the transaction as suspicious and alert the bank for further investigation. Anomaly detection is also used in cybersecurity to detect hacking attempts, in healthcare to identify unusual medical conditions, and in industries to detect equipment failures before they become serious problems. In simple words, anomaly detection helps computers find unusual events, unusual patterns, or suspicious activities that are different from normal behavior. This helps organizations detect problems early and take timely action. Working of deep learning. Let us now understand how deep learning works. Deep learning is an advanced form of machine learning that uses a structure called a neural network. A neural network is designed to work in a way that is inspired by how the human brain processes information. The process begins when input data is provided to the deep learning model. This data can be in the form of images, text, audio, videos, or numbers. The data then passes through multiple layers of the neural network. Each layer examines the data and learns different features from it. The first layer may identify simple features, while the next layers combine these features to recognize more complex patterns. As the data moves through the layers, the model gradually improves its understanding and learns important relationships within the data. Each layer refines the information received from the previous layer and passes the processed information to the next layer. Because deep learning uses many layers, it can learn very complex patterns that may be difficult for traditional machine learning models to identify. After processing the data through all the layers, the deep learning model generates an output. The output may be a prediction, a classification, a recommendation, or a decision, depending on the task being performed. For example, if the input is a photograph, the model may identify the object present in the image. If the input is a spoken sentence, the model may convert speech into text. In simple words, deep learning works by passing data through multiple layers of a neural network, learning patterns at each layer, and then producing an accurate output based on what it has learned. Example of deep learning. Let us understand the working of deep learning with a simple example. Suppose we provide an image of a car to a deep learning model. The image is given as the input to the model. The deep learning model then examines the image by passing it through multiple layers of a neural network. In the first few layers, the model learns simple features such as lines, edges, colors, and curves. As the information moves through the next layers, the model begins to recognize more detailed features such as windows, wheels, headlights, doors, and the overall shape of the vehicle. Each layer learns something new and passes that information to the next layer. By combining all these features, the model develops a complete understanding of the object present in the image. After processing the image through all the layers, the model compares the learned features with the patterns stored during training. Finally, the model predicts the correct category of the object. In this example, the model identifies the object as a car, so the output generated is car. This process happens very quickly and allows deep learning systems to recognize objects with high accuracy. In simple words, deep learning analyzes an image step by step, learns important features through multiple layers, and then identifies the object based on what it has learned from previous examples. Examples of deep learning. Now that we have understood how deep learning works, let us look at some common applications of deep learning. Two important applications of deep learning are object identification and digit recognition. Let us begin with object identification. Object identification helps computers recognize and identify objects present in images or videos. A deep learning model learns from thousands or even millions of examples and becomes capable of identifying different objects accurately. For example, a deep learning system can identify cars, bicycles, animals, people, traffic signs, and many other objects in a photograph. This technology is widely used in self-driving vehicles, security systems, and image search applications. The second application is digit recognition. Digit recognition is the process of identifying handwritten or printed numbers. A deep learning model is trained using a large collection of digit images. After learning the patterns and shapes of different digits, the model can correctly recognize numbers even when different people write them in different styles. Digit recognition is commonly used in postal services to read postal codes, in banks to process checks, and in mobile devices that recognize handwritten input. In simple words, object identification helps computers recognize what an object is, while digit recognition helps computers identify numbers written in different forms. These applications demonstrate how deep learning enables computers to perform tasks that require advanced pattern recognition and intelligent decision-making. Object identification. Let us now understand object identification, an important application of deep learning. Object identification is the process of recognizing and identifying specific objects present in an image or a video. To perform this task, a deep learning model is trained using a large number of labeled images. Each image is associated with the correct object name so that the model can learn the characteristics of different objects. In the example shown here, the model is trained using images of cars and trucks. The images are provided to the neural network, which carefully studies the features of each vehicle. It learns characteristics such as shape, size, wheels, windows, and other visual details. As the model processes more examples, it becomes better at distinguishing between different types of vehicles. Once the training is complete, a new image can be provided to the model. The neural network analyzes the image and compares its features with the patterns it learned during training. Based on this analysis, the model identifies the object and produces the correct output. For example, if the image contains a car, the model identifies it as a car. If the image contains a truck, the model identifies it as a truck. Object identification is widely used in self-driving vehicles, traffic monitoring systems, security cameras, and smart city applications. In simple words, object identification helps computers recognize and identify objects in images or videos by learning from a large number of examples. This enables machines to understand what objects are present in their surroundings. Digit recognition. Let us now learn about digit recognition, one of the most popular applications of deep learning. Digit recognition is the process of identifying and recognizing numbers from 0 to 9. To perform this task, a deep learning model is trained using a large collection of images containing handwritten or printed digits. During training, the model studies thousands of examples of each digit. It learns the unique shapes, curves, lines, and patterns that make each number different from the others. For example, the digit 0 has a closed circular shape, while the digit 1 is usually represented by a single straight line. By learning these characteristics, the model becomes capable of recognizing digits accurately. When a new image containing a digit is provided, the neural network analyzes the image and compares its features with the patterns it learned during training. The model then predicts which digit is present in the image. In the example shown here, an image containing the handwritten digit 9 is provided to the neural network. After analyzing the shape and features of the digit, the model correctly identifies it as 9. Digit recognition is widely used in many real-world applications. Banks use it to read numbers written on checks. Postal services use it to identify postal codes on letters and parcels. It is also used in mobile devices, calculators, and handwriting recognition systems. In simple words, digit recognition helps computers identify and understand handwritten or printed numbers by learning from a large number of examples. This enables machines to read and process numerical information quickly and accurately. Relationship between artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. Let us now understand the relationship between artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. These three technologies are closely connected, but they are not the same. Think of them as three groups, where one group exists inside another. Artificial intelligence is the largest and broadest field. It includes all technologies that enable machines to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as learning, reasoning, problem solving, and decision making. Within artificial intelligence, there is machine learning. Machine learning is a part of artificial intelligence that allows computers to learn from data and improve their performance without being programmed for every situation. Within machine learning, there is deep learning. Deep learning is a specialized part of machine learning that uses neural networks with many layers to solve complex problems and recognize detailed patterns in large amounts of data. This means that every deep learning system is a machine learning system, and every machine learning system is a part of artificial intelligence. However, the reverse is not always true. Not all artificial intelligence systems use machine learning, and not all machine learning systems use deep learning. You can think of the relationship like this. Artificial intelligence is the largest category. Machine learning is a smaller category within artificial intelligence. Deep learning is an even smaller category within machine learning. As we move from artificial intelligence to machine learning and then to deep learning, the techniques become more specialized and capable of handling increasingly complex tasks. In simple words, artificial intelligence is a broad field, machine learning is a part of artificial intelligence that learns from data, and deep learning is an advanced part of machine learning that uses neural networks to solve complex problems. Difference between artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. Now that we understand artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning, let us compare them to understand how they differ from one another. First, let us talk about artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a broad field that focuses on creating machines capable of performing tasks that normally require human intelligence. These tasks include learning, reasoning, problem solving, and decision making. Next is machine learning. Machine learning is a part of artificial intelligence. It enables computers to learn from data and improve their performance without being explicitly programmed for every task. Finally, we have deep learning. Deep learning is a specialized part of machine learning. It uses neural networks with multiple layers to learn complex patterns from large amounts of data. Let us look at some key differences. Artificial intelligence focuses on making machines intelligent. Machine learning focuses on enabling machines to learn from data. Deep learning focuses on learning complex patterns using deep neural networks. Artificial intelligence systems can work using predefined rules created by humans. Machine learning systems learn patterns from data and require less manual programming. Deep learning systems automatically learn features from data and require very little human intervention during the learning process. Machine learning generally works well with moderate amounts of data. Deep learning usually requires very large amounts of data to achieve high accuracy. Artificial intelligence is commonly used in virtual assistants, recommendation systems, and smart devices. Machine learning is used in spam filtering, fraud detection, and image classification. Deep learning is used in speech recognition, language translation, autonomous vehicles, and advanced image recognition systems. In simple words, artificial intelligence is the broad field of intelligent machines. Machine learning is a method that helps machines learn from data, and deep learning is an advanced method that uses neural networks to solve complex problems with high accuracy. Common terminologies used with data. Before building artificial intelligence models, it is important to understand some common terms related to data. Artificial intelligence systems learn from data in the same way that students learn from examples and practice. The quality and quantity of data play a major role in determining how well an artificial intelligence model performs. To understand how artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning systems learn, we need to become familiar with some basic data-related concepts. In the next few slides, we will learn about important terms such as data, features, labels, types of data, and data sets. These terms form the foundation of machine learning and deep learning because they help us understand how information is collected, organized, and used for training intelligent systems. We will also explore the difference between labeled data and unlabeled data and learn how training datasets and testing datasets are used to teach and evaluate artificial intelligence models. A clear understanding of these concepts will help you understand how machines learn from data and make intelligent predictions and decisions. Let us begin by understanding the most basic and important concept of all: data. Data. Let us begin by understanding the most important concept in artificial intelligence, which is data. Data refers to a collection of facts, observations, measurements, or information that can be used by computers to learn and make decisions. Data can be available in many forms. It may consist of numbers, text, images, audio recordings, videos, or any other type of information. Artificial intelligence systems learn from data. The more relevant and accurate the data, the better the system can learn and perform. In the example shown here, we have a table containing information about different flowers. Each row in the table represents information about one flower. For every flower, details such as its name, color, and season are recorded. For example, a rose is red and blooms during winter, while a tulip is yellow and blooms during spring. This collection of information about flowers is called data. When artificial intelligence models analyze data, they look for patterns and relationships within the information. By learning these patterns, the models can make predictions and decisions. For example, after studying many flower records, a model may learn which flowers bloom during a particular season or identify a flower based on its color and other characteristics. It is also important to know that data usually contains features and labels, which help artificial intelligence models learn effectively. We will learn about features and labels in the next slides. In simple words, data is the information that artificial intelligence systems use to learn, understand patterns, and make intelligent decisions. Features. Now let us understand another important term used in artificial intelligence and machine learning, which is features. Features are the characteristics or pieces of information that describe an object, person, place, or item in a dataset. You can think of features as the details that help a computer learn about something. In the flower dataset shown here, each flower has certain characteristics recorded about it. These characteristics are flower type, color, and season. These three columns are called features because they provide information about each flower. For example, a rose has the color red and blooms during winter. A sunflower has the color yellow and blooms during summer. By studying these features, an artificial intelligence model can learn patterns and relationships in the data. Features act as the input information that helps a model make predictions or decisions. For example, if a new flower has the color yellow and blooms during summer, the model may use these features to predict that it could be a sunflower. Features are used in many different applications. In house price prediction, features may include the size of the house, the number of rooms, and the location. In image recognition, features may include shapes, colors, edges, and patterns found in an image. In language processing, features may include words, sentence length, and the frequency of specific terms in a text. In simple words, features are the characteristics or properties of data that help artificial intelligence models learn patterns and make accurate predictions. Labels, target variable. Let us now understand another important concept in artificial intelligence and machine learning called labels, also known as the target variable. A label is the answer or outcome that a machine learning model is trying to predict. While features provide information about the data, the label represents the result that the model needs to learn and predict. Let us look at the flower dataset shown here. In this example, flower type and color are used as features. The season column is the label because it is the value that the model is trying to predict. For example, if the model is given information about a flower's type and color, it can learn to predict the season in which that flower usually blooms. During training, the model studies many examples where both the features and the labels are already known. By analyzing these examples, the model learns the relationship between the features and the label. After training, the model can use this knowledge to predict labels for new data. Labels can be different depending on the problem being solved. For example, in an email filtering system, the labels may be spam and not spam. In an animal classification system, the labels may be cat and dog. In a movie review system, the labels may be positive, negative, or neutral. In all these cases, the label represents the final answer that the model is expected to predict. In simple words, a label is the correct answer or target value that a machine learning model learns to predict using the available features. Types of data. Now let us learn about the different types of data used in artificial intelligence. As we already know, data is the foundation of artificial intelligence. AI systems learn from data, make predictions using data, and improve their performance based on data. The success of an artificial intelligence model depends greatly on the quality and type of data used during training. There are two main types of data used in artificial intelligence. The first type is labeled data. Labeled data contains both the input information and the correct answer. This means that each data item already has a known outcome or category attached to it. For example, if we have images of fruits, each image may be labeled as banana, apple, orange, or mango. The second type is unlabeled data. Unlabeled data contains only the input information and does not include the correct answer or category. For example, a collection of fruit images without any names attached to them is considered unlabeled data. Both types of data are important in artificial intelligence. Labeled data helps models learn by using known answers, while unlabeled data helps models discover patterns and relationships on their own. In the next slides, we will explore labeled data and unlabeled data in greater detail and understand how they are used to train artificial intelligence systems. In simple words, the two main types of data used in artificial intelligence are labeled data, which contains correct answers, and unlabeled data, which contains only information without predefined answers. Labeled data. Let us now understand labeled data, one of the most important types of data used in artificial intelligence. Labeled data is data that already contains the correct answer or label. In this type of data, each example is associated with a known outcome. This helps the artificial intelligence model learn the relationship between the input and the correct output. Let us look at the example shown here. We have different flowers such as rose, tulip, lily, and sunflower. Along with the flower names, the season in which each flower blooms is also provided. For example, the rose is associated with winter, the tulip with spring, the lily with spring, and the sunflower with summer. Since both the flower information and the correct season are already known, this dataset is called labeled data. When an artificial intelligence model is trained using labeled data, it learns from these examples. The model studies the inputs and their corresponding correct outputs and gradually learns the patterns that connect them. After training, if a new flower is provided, the model can predict the season in which it is likely to bloom. This learning process is called supervised learning because the model learns using examples that already contain the correct answers. Labeled data is widely used in many applications. For example, in email filtering, emails may be labeled as spam or not spam. In image recognition, images may be labeled as cat, dog, car, or bicycle. In all these cases, the correct answer is already available during training. In simple words, labeled data is data that contains both the input information and the correct answer, helping artificial intelligence models learn by example. Unlabeled data. Let us now understand unlabeled data. Unlabeled data is data that does not contain any predefined labels or correct answers. Unlike labeled data, where the correct output is already known, unlabeled data contains only the input information. In the example shown here, we have images of different flowers, but their names or categories are not provided. Since the flowers do not have labels attached to them, this is called unlabeled data. When artificial intelligence models work with unlabeled data, they do not know the correct answers in advance. Instead, they analyze the data and look for patterns, similarities, and relationships on their own. The model groups together data items that appear similar and separates those that are different. This type of learning is called unsupervised learning because the model learns without being given the correct answers. Unlabeled data can exist in many forms. For example, a company may have customer transaction records without predefined categories. A collection of photographs without names or descriptions is also unlabeled data. Similarly, a large set of news articles without topic labels can be considered unlabeled data. Artificial intelligence models can study this information and automatically group similar items together. For instance, a model may group customers with similar buying habits, cluster similar images, or organize articles based on their content. In simple words, unlabeled data is data that contains information but does not contain correct answers or labels. Artificial intelligence models learn by finding patterns and relationships within the data on their own. Data sets in artificial intelligence. Let us now understand the concept of data sets in artificial intelligence. A dataset is a collection of related data that is used to train and evaluate artificial intelligence models. Just as students learn from textbooks and practice exercises, artificial intelligence models learn from datasets. The quality and quantity of the dataset play an important role in determining how well a model performs. A dataset contains the information that helps the model identify patterns, learn relationships, and make predictions. For example, if we want to create a model that can identify flowers, the dataset may contain many flower images along with related information about those flowers. The model studies this data during the learning process and gradually improves its understanding. To ensure that a model learns correctly and performs well, a dataset is usually divided into two main parts. The first part is called the training dataset. The training dataset is used to teach the model and help it learn patterns from the data. The second part is called the testing dataset. The testing dataset is used to check how well the model has learned and how accurately it can make predictions on new data. By separating the data into training and testing datasets, we can evaluate whether the model is learning correctly and performing reliably. In simple words, a dataset is a collection of data used to train and evaluate artificial intelligence models, and it is usually divided into a training dataset and a testing dataset. Training dataset. Let us now learn about the training dataset. A training dataset is a collection of data that is used to teach an artificial intelligence model. Just as students learn from textbooks, examples, and practice exercises before taking an examination, an artificial intelligence model learns from the training dataset before it is tested. The training dataset usually contains the largest portion of the available data. In most cases, it includes about 70 to 80% of the total dataset. A training dataset generally contains labeled data, which means that both the input information and the correct answers are available. The model studies this data and learns the relationship between the inputs and the expected outputs. As the model processes more training examples, it gradually learns patterns, rules, and important features within the data. This learning helps the model improve its ability to make predictions and classifications. For example, if we are training a model to identify flowers, the training dataset may contain many flower images along with their correct names. By studying these examples, the model learns how to distinguish one flower from another. The training dataset is therefore the learning material that helps the model gain knowledge before it is evaluated on new data. Without a training dataset, the model would have no information from which to learn. In simple words, a training dataset is a collection of examples used to teach an artificial intelligence model so that it can learn patterns and make accurate predictions in the future. Testing dataset. Let us now learn about the testing dataset. After an artificial intelligence model has learned from the training dataset, it needs to be tested to check how well it has learned. This is where the testing dataset is used. A testing dataset is a collection of data that is used to evaluate the performance and accuracy of an artificial intelligence model. The testing dataset is kept separate from the training dataset. Usually, it contains about 20 to 30% of the total data. The model does not use this data during training. Instead, the testing dataset is introduced only after the learning process is complete. You can think of the testing dataset as an examination for the artificial intelligence model. Just as students take an exam after studying, the model is tested after learning from the training data. When the testing data is provided, the model makes predictions based on what it has learned. These predictions are then compared with the actual correct answers to determine how accurately the model performs. Let us consider an example. Suppose we want to create a model that can recognize handwritten digits from 0 to 9. We collect thousands of digit images. About 80% of the images are used as the training dataset to teach the model. The remaining 20% of the images are kept aside as the testing dataset. After training is completed, the model is asked to identify the digits in the testing dataset. By checking how many predictions are correct, we can measure the model's accuracy and performance. In simple words, a testing dataset is a separate collection of data used to check how well an artificial intelligence model has learned and how accurately it can make predictions on new data. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this lesson helpful, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more educational content. You can download the complete notes from the link given in the description box. Also, join our Telegram channel for study materials and updates, and follow our Instagram page for more educational content. All the links are provided in the description box below. Keep learning and stay connected.